Here is a simple way on how you can create a professional ebook cover on Canva for free. All said and done, let's get started. So head on to canva.com, go to the section where they say more, go to apps, click on apps. Let's wait for it to load a bit. Good. So now the session has loaded. So let's go to markups. Click on markups. Search for 80,000 markups. So you can see a whole lot of markups here. You can see desktop, markups, laptops, tablets, watches, TV and print. So you can put your photo here on the desktop or on the laptop, your photo or whatever items you want to put here. But the main purpose of this video is to create a professional ebook cover for free on Canva. So go and search for books. Click on search button, search for books. So you can see a whole lot of books here. You can look for portraits. You can look for the portraits, square books, hardcover books, soft books. So you can see the tons of them. Some are print and some are paid. But I want to take this free ebook, this design, this free one. It's loading. So now what you want to do, you want to go again to Canva. You can search for ebook cover. Ebook cover. Go to Canva and search for ebook cover to create one ebook cover. So there are a lot of designs here. Very beautiful ebook cover here. You can see them. So what I've done is this simple way that I've made my own. So since you have searched for your design that you want to make for the ebook cover, you can customize it. I've already customized my own ebook cover on Canva. As you can see it here, so I've already customized it. I've already downloaded it. You can click on share button. See, there is the download button where you can download your customized ebook cover. Now let's go and create our ebook cover, a professional ebook cover on Canva. So click on the section here, this button, let's say select. Click on select button, and now you can see your images. Your images here, you can see them, the one you have already uploaded. So these are my uploads here. Or you can go on uploads file. These are the ones that are locally in your computer. You can click on the uploads here. As you can see, here is the design that I've already created, the ebook cover that I've already created. So I'm going to close it because I've already created my ebook cover. So click on the design on your upload, click next, and already you can see automatically it will already fit in. So as you can see, it's already looking beautiful and professional. Alright, so this is a simple way on how you can create a beautiful and also professional ebook cover on Canva for free. I know you find value in this video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and also share to your friends. And leave the comments below on how this went for you. I know you really find value in this video. And I see you on the next video. Peace out, and I love you all.